8th day at Disney. We're going to Animal Kingdom, Kali River Rapids, because I need a little cool down.
The Kali River Rapids, 08. Ready to get soaked. Hold on to your ponchos.
Really should have remembered my poncho, honestly. Like, I just... All right, well, that wasn't too bad. You know, hopefully I won't get too much more wet. Like, it's not really... Where are you going?